Hello everyone, very good evening. This is Amarnath from FPL. Today I would like to showcase you how to use SUMIF or COUNTIF formulas in Excel, please.
So here I have mentioned SUMIF and I have taken car model and the number. So for example, in this column I have different car type, that is Aster, Hector, Aster, Comet, ZSEV, Gloucester, ZSEV, Hector, and here the total number. So now how to use SUMIF formula? So what you have to do is apply equal to SUMIF open bracket. Now what you have to do is first you need to select the range. Range means the type of car model. So you need to select here. Now apply comma. Now B16, that means click here, then apply comma. Next select the number, total number. Now close the bracket and apply enter. So now here you will find 0. Why? Because in this column I have not mentioned what type of model it is. So for example, if I am looking for Aster, I get 65. Now you can see Aster here 115, 30, 45 and 20. So is equal to 65. For example, if I want to change it to ZSEV. Now ZSEV we have 21 and here 20. So two columns we have 41. Like for example, if you are looking for Hector, you get 95. So 20, 25, 45, then 45, 50 and 80 and 55. So it is 95 totally Hector. And for example, if you are looking for Gloucester, so you get 55. So this is how you can use SUMIF call. And similarly, now the next formula is COUNTIF. So here I'll show you how to use COUNTIF formula. So similarly we have car model and the total number. Now what we have to do is similarly first apply equal to count if open bracket. Now you need to select the range again. So apply the model, comma, into comma and criteria. Close the bracket. Delete this. Okay. Enter. So now you get the value as 0. Now what you have to do is, now you are going to count, instead of counting how many Aster here or how many Hector here or how many Comet here or ZSEV here. This is the easiest way to count the different type of models in the easiest way. Now for example, if I select Aster, I get 3. So you can see here Aster 1, 2, 3. In 3 columns you will find Aster. And for example, if I apply Hector, so I have Hector 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 Hectors I have. And if for example, if I apply Gloucester, it is 1. And for example, if I apply Comet, it is 2. So this is how you can use SUMIF and COUNTIF formula. So which helps in day-to-day personal and professional life. And the benefit of this SUMIF and COUNTIF formula will give a better analysis, and it gives a better understanding of the data. Thank you so much. Best wishes.